Hello, thank you for joining us here today to take a look at a little more setup in TotalMD. Under the Setup tab, we're going to go under Accounting Setup and set up accounting codes. Now these are different type of codes such as notes, late fees, insurance payment types, all kinds of different things go into this account code list. So you can see here that we have a patient payment here for credit card and a patient payment for check. But let's say we want to make this credit card a little more specific. We'll add a new code and we're going to call it Patient Visa. And then we're going to go to the description and we're going to call it Patient Visa Payment. And then we want to go down to this type and find the credit card payment type. That way it connects correctly in the system. Once we save that change, it's going to add that type of payment in here. So the next time you're doing patient payments and you have a Visa payment, you can do a Visa payment rather than just a generic credit card payment. You can add all of your different major credit cards, MasterCard, Visa, Discover, American Express, so that you know which ones are which in here. You can also add notes that you can add into the ledger. We're going to add a new account code. We're going to call it Insurance Max. And then the description is going to be Insurance Maximum Reached. And then we're going to make this a note type so that we can add it as a note in the ledger. We're going to come down and add it as a note. And we're going to save the changes, and you'll see over here that I have several different types of notes that I have in the system for different things. So we're going to go into the ledger itself, and I'm going to show you how it works. I have a hair removal by electrolysis here, and we're going to add a note to the system. And we're going to do a drop down, and we're going to find that Insurance Max Reached. And that way it adds the note into the system. So if we save the transaction, it shows that the insurance max has been reached for this electrolysis and there will be no insurance charge in the ledger. If you have further questions regarding this functionality of TotalMD, please give us a call, 800-613-7597. Option 2 is support. Option 3 is training. We would be happy to help you with your questions.